Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text chart on TradingView. If you've ever wanted to mark a key level, leave yourself a reminder, or label a pattern for later, adding text is the quickest way to annotate your chart so your thoughts don't get lost. This is especially helpful if you're reviewing past trades, planning future entries, or building a repeatable strategy. Instead of relying on memory, you can document your thinking directly on the chart and come back to it anytime. With your chart open, take a look at the toolbar running down the left side of the screen. Find the icon that looks like a capital T. That's the text tool. Go ahead and click it to let TradingView know you want to place a text note rather than a line or a shape. This tool is specifically designed for annotations, so it keeps your analysis clear without adding extra drawing elements you don't need. When the text tool is selected, your cursor changes so you can place the note exactly where you want it. Next, move your cursor to the chart and click at the spot where you'd like the text to appear. Think about placement for a second. Choose a location with a little breathing room so your note doesn't cover candles or important indicators. If you're labeling a support or resistance level, placing the text slightly above or below the level can keep things clean and readable. This small adjustment makes a big difference when you're reviewing multiple setups later. Your click creates a text field right on the chart at that exact point. Now simply type the message you want. Keep it clear and to the point, something like weekly support, breakout area, or a reminder such as watch volume on retest. You might also add notes like potential reversal zone or wait for confirmation. Short, consistent labels make scanning your chart later much easier, especially if you're analyzing multiple pairs or timeframes. As soon as you enter your text, your note sits on the chart as a visual anchor for your idea. It stays tied to the location where you clicked, so as you pan or zoom, you'll still see it relative to the price action. That makes it incredibly useful for tracking how price reacts to the exact level or pattern you identified earlier. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you click and nothing appears, make sure the text tool is still active on the left toolbar. It's easy to switch tools by accident, especially if you've been drawing lines or using other tools. If your text looks cluttered, consider placing it in an area with a little space so it stands out against the candles and indicators you're already using. You can also keep your notes brief to avoid overcrowding the chart. And if you're preparing charts to share, keeping your wording consistent across notes helps others follow your logic at a glance and makes your analysis look more professional. That's all there is to it. Click the T icon on the left to select the text tool. Click on your chart where you want the note and type your text. It's fast, it's simple, and it keeps your analysis organized right on the chart. Try it on your next setup so your insights are always exactly where you need them.